Good day to all the learners deck viewers out there, and we are standing in the same series, that is a series of logical functions. This is a very important series as our major aim to learn Microsoft Excel is for analytics and to pull out more and more data analytics from Microsoft Excel. So we are learning logical functions in this series, and see we are in the same spreadsheet. I have used a similar spreadsheet that we have actually used in the AND operator, that is you can see the results in column D. The reason why we are using the same spreadsheet is that we would like to analyze what impact the data has when we are using AND operator, and now when we'll be using OR operator, what would be the difference in between the results between column D and column E. The scenario and the data is same. Let me explain it once more for the newcomers. We have listed down some employee names in column A. Column B has per annum performance, which you can see. You can relate it to sales, you can relate it to revenue, profit, whatever you like. In column C, you have job tenure. For example, Smith has actually spent 5 years in this particular organization. And now we have two metrics which are actually giving us two conditions. The first matrix is the performance factor, which is listed in column B. This metric says that if the performance factor is less than 1, the bonus percentage would be 0, and 10, 18, 25, 30 respectively with all these conditions. So this is the first condition that we would like to use, and we have already used in this AND column. The second condition here is that all the employees which are actually getting bonus should be in the company or in the organization for more than 1.5 years. So the job tenure which we have listed in column C should be greater than 1.5. As you can see the results in column D, we have actually done it. Now we'll be doing the same practice with logical function OR. So let me click here on cell E2, and then we'll go to this formula section. Click on this logical drop down menu, and here we'll use OR. A new screen will pop up, and see all these conditional operators or conditional functions will at least have two conditions. So there are these two values, logical 1 and logical 2. In the very first one, we need to make sure that value in column B, that is per annum performance, should be greater than 1. So because or maybe you can say that it should be greater than and equal to 1, because this first matrix says that less than 1 will be, for less than 1 it would be 0. So this is our condition. Now the second logical condition should be in regards to column C, that is job tenure. It says that only employees with tenure greater than 1.5 years will qualify. So we'll say that value in this cell should be greater than 1.5. The results can be seen here, true, but obviously for each employee the results will be different. So we'll click OK, and we'll see how it goes by dragging it down. So here are the results. Now you can see that when we use the AND operator, we had three false conditions here, or three false outcomes here, but within OR we only have two false. For example, let's analyze both these false. In the first one, it says that per annum performance is 0.8, which is less than what we require, that is it's less than 1, so the bonus percentage would be 0. It does not qualify. Let's see if the other condition qualify or not. The other condition, that is job tenure, says that for Delano the job tenure is 1, which also does not fulfills the conditional matrix that we have actually created. So in OR operation, any of the two values can actually yield result as true. For example, if you are providing two values, and if any of the two values is true, the result will always be true, as you can see in these conditions. Let's analyze this one. So here it says that the per annum performance is 3.6, which is greater than 1, so it qualifies. But in the second condition it says that the tenure should be greater than 1.5. When we used AND, the tenure was actually not greater than 1.5, it was exactly 1.5. So the condition result was false, but here as one of the condition is true, so we have the result as true. This is the main difference between the major impact between both these results, and this is how you use an AND operator and how you select an OR operation. So you can easily analyze the result in between these two columns and see which one is useful for you and use it as per your requirement. Please make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss our upcoming lectures, which are very important. We'll be working on more logical functions and we'll be doing some nested if and nested loops as well. So stay tuned and thanks for watching this video.